Hi guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to make a native soup, which is mostly eaten around rivers and Bayelsa, so stay tuned and keep watching. The ingredients are seasoned cubes, crayfish, prawn seasoning, uziza, pepper, onions, cocoyam, palm nut oil, beef, and some mussels. Instead of the cocoyam, I'll be using some yam, so you can use anything to thicken your soup. In a clean pot, add about 4 cups of hot water, or you can bring 4 cups of water to boil and add in your palm nut oil. Allow this to boil for about 5 minutes and then you drain it into a clean pot by taking off the shelf from underneath the bottom. Most of the cooking will be done with an open pot. That means we're not going to cover the pot so as to make the soup thicker than watery. After boiling the palm nut oil for 10 minutes, you start by adding your ingredients, which is your pepper, maggi, crayfish, prawn seasoning, and you stir it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes, and then you add your meat, your boiled meat, and your mussels. You boil that for about 20 minutes until the flavor sinks into the meat, and then you start by adding your thickener. You can add more meat stock if the sauce is not watery enough, or you can leave it as it is now. Add your thickener. I'll be using pounded yam that I boiled and then pounded, and I added it scattered and also into balls to make the soup thick. And once that boils for about 10 to 15 minutes, I added my uziza leaf. The uziza leaf is the leaf that is used in the cooking of the soup and brings out the flavor more of the soup. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you and stay blessed.